Priyanka Gandhi Vadra versus the Israel envoy. Remember, Priyanka Gandhi, the member of parliament, has been consistently speaking for Palestine and also critical of Israel, claiming that there's a genocide happening by Israel. It's now led to a response from the Israeli envoy, who's hit back, suggesting she's showing Hamas sympathy. Basically, the Israel envoy is now alleging that Priyanka's deceit is shameful. So what did the member of parliament say? The YNR MP basically said that Israel has killed about 60,000 people, including children, to which the envoy from Israel said that we have neutralized Hamas extremists, Hamas terrorists, and not attacking children or the general population. And that it is Hamas basically hiding behind the children. So that's what has happened. Remember, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra for the past over a year, in fact almost 2 years now, has been consistently speaking with regard to the Palestine issue and has even, remember, carried a bag, shown that there is solidarity and support. She is reflecting that had led to another showdown when she had carried a bag with symbolism of Palestine. But Israeli envoy saying the manner in which she's speaking is reflective that she's sympathetic to the Hamas. My colleague Pranay Upadhyay, editor from India Today Global, joins me for the latest. Pranay, I know that she's been writing on social media for a while now, but didn't really have a response or any reaction from the officials or the diplomats from Israel. This could be the first time, am I correct? What happened?
This seems to be a first time, and this is unprecedented that a diplomat has decided to respond to the remark by an honourable member of parliament from India, and that to Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She expressed her opinion on social media platform X, where she criticized the Israeli state in committing genocide.